My name is Christian, and I'm building an AI database agent for loan officers. I run a digital marketing company for over 200 mortgage professionals, and this is what we're working on next.
So this week we taught the software to actually think. We built something called the Snapshot Engine. It looks at every person in a loan officer's database and figures out the best reason to reach out to them. Is this person ready to buy a home? Do they have equity they could use? Are they still paying for mortgage insurance that they don't need? The software figures that out automatically. Then we connected it to AI, and now it writes the message for you. So a real personal text or email. It's not a template blast like you see in a lot of loan officers' marketing outreach. So it actually sounds like the loan officer knows the person because it uses that real information to craft a message. We did run into a few bumps. Files ended up in the wrong folders. The AI tried to introduce itself to people it already knew. We fixed all of that though, and the messages got way better once we added real contact data as well. We launched it on test contacts and it actually worked, which is kind of cool. So for loan officers, this means every single person in their database gets a personal, thoughtful follow-up without the loan officer having to do anything. What I actually want to shift to though is a model where the loan officer logs into the dashboard and immediately sees their opportunities. So for example, 20 refinance opportunities, 10 purchase opportunities, and 5 PMI removal opportunities. I don't believe right now that this should be a spray and pray AI agent that reaches out to everyone at any time. Instead, what I want it to do is I want the loan officer to be able to choose a specific opportunity like refis or purchases, and I want them to be able to press a button to activate outreach. And then from there, the AI personalizes and sends messages to each contact at scale based on that specific opportunity. So we'll be working on that in the coming weeks. Stay tuned for next week. We're building the two-way conversation manager. So when somebody replies, the AI keeps the conversation going and books the call automatically. I'll see you next week.